Hello, this is the fire station. I am Dispatcher Kiki.
A fire has broken out in the high-rise building. Residents are trapped inside. We ask the firemen for help.
Don't worry, the firefighting rescue team will head there right away. Control the fire and help me save lives. Homes have collapsed. Use the fire shovel to remove them. Use the fire axe to split them. This is the fire station. What can I do for you?
Oh no! There has been an explosion at—
We should rush to the rescue. Momo, you are going to evacuate the crowd. Hank and I are going to take care of the leaking dangerous materials. Find the workers first and take them to safety zone. There is an emergency. That's a safe... The crowd has been evacuated. Turn on the switch. Put out the fire with foam nozzle. Kiki, the dangerous materials are still inside the factory. We should take them out to prevent any further disaster. Dangerous materials leaked. Use a wooden wedge to stop the leakage first. Now we need to transfer them to a safe place. Kiki, dangerous materials have been transferred to a safe place, and the factory is out of danger. Firefighting task is complete. Whoa, whoa! It's amazing to be a firefighter. Wow! Here are the coins from my hard work. Firefighter. Hello, this is the fire station. Please call us for help in case of the emergency. We need to complete 2 firefighting missions today. Hello, this is the fire station. What can I do for you?
Oh no! Forest fire has broken out! We ask the firemen to put out the fire.
Don't worry, the firefighting rescue team will head there right away. Kiki, the forest fire is spreading. We need to act quickly. Hank is going to set up fireproof barrier to prevent the fire from spreading. Momo and I are going to put out the fire. Drive an excavator to set up a fireproof barrier to prevent the spread of the fire. There is debris blocking the mountain road. Let's get rid of it. Let's check out the fire. Kiki, the fireproof barrier has been set up, and the fire is under control. Now we need to hurry up and put out the fire. Fly firefighting helicopters to put out the forest fire. The fire is put out. Let's check the forest to see if there is any residual source of fire. Oh no! It's a crown fire! Use a water gun to put it out quickly. Cut down trees to prevent the fire from spreading. It's surface fire. Use a pneumatic extinguisher to put it out. Sprinkle them with chemical fire retardants to prevent them from reigniting. Kiki, the forest fire has been completely put out. Forest firefighting task is complete. Whoa, whoa!